LinkedIn Live with Joe Apfelbaum. So excited to be here. Today, I want to share how to leverage LinkedIn together with artificial intelligence. I'm going to share my screen real quick, and I'm going to show you the step-by-step process to start using LinkedIn more effectively. Now, what I want you to realize is that most people have no idea how to leverage LinkedIn. They just don't know how to use it. But LinkedIn is the world's largest professional social network. There are over 1 billion people that are currently using LinkedIn. And I'm going to share my screen and just log you right into LinkedIn and just show you how it works. As soon as you log into LinkedIn, the first thing that you see is called the feed. If you log in and you zoom in just a little bit over here, you'll notice some elements of the feed. You have the logo on the top left corner, then you have a search box, then you have a home button on the top, then My Network, you have jobs, messages, notifications, and you have a button called Me. When you click on Me, there's more information. It says View Profile, Premium Features, Settings and Privacy, and then there's more. You can sign out here as well. What I want you to pay attention to right now is the feed. So I'm going to click on this little X here, and I'm going to dismiss this little card. And then if you scroll down, you're going to see it says Start a Post. So these little modules or these little boxes right over here, they do different things. Each one of these cards represents something that it does. So for example, this card here is the only place where you can write a post on LinkedIn. So if you ever want to write a post on LinkedIn, you go to the LinkedIn homepage, you click on the LinkedIn logo on the top left corner. This takes you to the LinkedIn homepage, and that shows you this card here, where if you click inside the card, a dialog box will open up, and you'll be able to start seeing where you can start typing. Now, if you want to use a tool called Evie AI, you can go to evyai.com. And what this tool will allow you to do is it allows you to integrate a Chrome extension on the bottom right corner of the dialog box. You see this little purple button? When you click on it, it will open up this dialog box. And what this dialog box will do is it will ask you, what is your goal in terms of creating a post? There are many goals that you can choose. And then what tone do you want to use in terms of generating your post? And then what persona do you want to use? So I'm going to pull up Evie AI right here just so you kind of see. It's really easy to get started. Just click on the Get Started button on the top right corner of the screen over here. And then once you're ready to get started, then you can add the Evie AI Google Chrome extension in the center here, or go to the web app. You log in, and then you'll be able to do these 6 things with Evie AI. You'll be able to use the comment generator, the post writer, the recommendation creator, the messaging helper. You'll be able to optimize your profile and even use it to customize your connection requests with Evie AI. So this tool will make your life a lot easier. So go ahead and get started with this tool today. And if you're happy with it, I do recommend upgrading to Premium, where you'll have many, many more features, and it's super affordable to invest in Evie AI today. All right, so let's go into LinkedIn. Let's choose a goal, for example, common myths. Curious is the tone, and then the persona. I'm going to choose one related to Ajax Union. Common myths about using marketing agencies for SEO. I'm going to press generate, and what it's going to do is it's going to write a hook, it's going to write main points, and it's going to write a call to action just like this. If I want to post this in, I just press insert, and then it inserts the entire post here. You see that? Thinking of hiring a marketing agency is just throwing money problem. I'll debunk that myth. So now at the bottom over here, what I'm going to say, a call to action. If you found this helpful, give this post a like and share in the comments below. Let me know thinking. Also, I am happy to create an SEO report on your website. Just put your domain name in the comments, and I'll make you a comprehensive SEO report just for your website. Okay. I'm going to hit post. And I just posted a post on LinkedIn. Okay. Now, this post is called a text-only post. You see this? It's a text-only post. That means it just has text. There's no image attached to it. If I wanted to attach an image to it, I would just click on this media button, and I would attach an image. Let me stop sharing my screen for just a moment. I want to let you know the following. Most people, they don't post at all on LinkedIn. If you want more exposure, if you want more credibility, if you want more people to buy from you, then what you want to do is you want to start posting on LinkedIn because people will remember you. I went to an event in Las Vegas and I spoke in front of dozens of people that are executives at companies from 18 different cities around the world. Some of those companies had 40,000 employees. Some of them had 20 employees. What they had in common was that they're all into networking. They're all part of different networking groups in different cities all over the place. So when I ask them how do they stay top of mind, they say they come to the meetings on a weekly or biweekly basis. And I said, what if there was a way for you to stay top of mind with your network every day? And they're like, how do you stay top of mind every day without being annoying, without sending emails? And the answer is posting on LinkedIn. Because if you're connected to someone on LinkedIn, you can easily create a post. And just like I showed you, using artificial intelligence, you can create a post, a meaningful post, and offer something meaningful to your audience. And then what will happen is people will notice that post. They'll engage with that post. They'll comment on that post. And that's going to give you exposure. My average post gets 1,000 views. That means when I post on LinkedIn, 1,000 people see it. If you want to get that level of exposure, even if you only got 100 people to see your post, wouldn't it be worth it for you to post something on LinkedIn, even if only 50 people saw your post? Wouldn't it be worth it to spend 2 minutes to post something of value on LinkedIn that solves a problem for your clients or that gives them interesting information that they can read if they happen to be on LinkedIn? People want to get educated, they want to get entertained, they want to get informed by you. But if you're not creating content and you're not posting content, the people that you're connected to, your followers, are not going to have the opportunity to remember that you exist. And one woman said, Joe, I haven't posted in 8 months, in 9 months. I'm going to suddenly just start posting. People are going to think it's weird. I'm going to be like, nobody cares about you. That's what I said. I said, nobody cares. Like, really, like, nobody's even going to think of that. Nobody's going to think that you didn't. No one's keeping track of how often you posted, how often you commented, or any of that stuff. People are just busy thinking about themselves. Nobody has the time to think about whether you commented or not. If you have an insecurity around that, get over it and start posting. And I want to say this to you right now. Get over it and start posting. And if you're watching this video and you agree, just write I agree in the chat and hit that repost button and share this video so more people are inspired to post. I believe that the secret to living is giving. Give people something to comment on. Give people something to talk about. Give people a reason to remember that you exist so that they can refer business to you. You want people to refer business to you, don't you? I want people to refer business to me. If I want people to refer business to me, I got to make myself available so that they remember, so that they call me, so that they build relationships with me, so that they connect with me. There's going to be a 24-hour event happening on Monday where a guy named Jonathan is going to go live, and Jason Hill from Owl is putting this thing together, this event together. And Jason called me and he said, Joe, can you get on the live? And if I wasn't flying from the West Coast to the East Coast during that time, I would have said, absolutely, yes, I'm available. I'll make myself available. But unfortunately, during the times that they had me available, I'm going to be flying. And so I'm not going to be available to jump on and be one of the influencers on their live stream. I said, keep me in mind for the next one so that I can support you and help you with your mission. Because I'm a big fan of helping other entrepreneurs be able to get to their goal and to be able to support them. He has this really great tool called Owl that allows you to be able to make phone calls and network with people through an app. And his best users are engaged, active LinkedIn users. And I'm a paid subscriber to Owl. I'm not an affiliate. I don't get any money if you subscribe to it. But if you want more information, send me info on Owl in the chat, and I'll be more than happy to send you info. So I filmed myself for 37 minutes. Let me see if I can find that video and show it to you. I took about the first half of my talk. I filmed myself. Let me see if I can find that video real quick. In the meantime, leave me a comment and let me know if you are committed to posting at least once a week. Just write I'm committed in the chat. I'm going to open up my Google Photos right now, and I'm going to share my screen if I can find this video, this 38-minute video. I found the video. Now I'm going to go ahead and download this video. I'm going to press, okay, I just downloaded the video. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to share my screen real quick as I show you how I edit that video with artificial intelligence. Okay, so let's do that. Let me go to opus.pro. Let me hit sign in. It says pop-up blocked. It seems like my pop-up was blocked. Okay. Either way, I'm going to share my screen just to kind of show you what I'm doing. Let's see. Now, if you're watching this live and you want me to do an SEO checkup on your business, just write SEO checkup in the chat. I would love to do an SEO checkup on your business. All I'm going to really need is your, what am I going to need? I'm going to need your website. That's what I'm going to need. I need your website. And your, all right, let me, for some reason that video did not download. I think I just closed it. I think I just tried to download the video and then I just closed the file. So it didn't work. Let me try again. It says downloading. Okay, I'm just downloading the video now. So it's actually in the process of downloading. Let me see if anybody commented on my post over here. I'm going to check and I'm going to share my screen so you can see what I am doing as I'm doing it here. Share screen. Okay, here we go. So this is how you check if anybody actually commented on your post. This is how you check. Yes. All right, let me see. Hang on a second, ladies and gentlemen. Just 1 second. Let me check something for a second. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are cooking with fire here. It is downloading. We are downloading. Let's see if it's still going. Yeah, we are cooking with fire. Download in progress over here. So this is the video of me doing this live. So as soon as it downloads it, I'll show you how I upload it. Let me go back to this LinkedIn over here. And I'm waiting for it to load. I'm just going to go back. Oh, here we go. LinkedIn loaded. Oh, thank you. All right. Let me just see if anybody commented or liked on this video. And I don't know why my internet is so slow. My internet is probably slow because I am in the process of downloading this thing while I'm talking. So it's just going really slow. I probably should close a bunch of things as well that I have open over here. Let's see. I'm going to click on View Profile. I'm going to click on View Profile. Now that I'm viewing my own profile, you saw I clicked on the Me. So I showed you how to click on the home page and post something. I clicked on Me and then I clicked on View Profile. This is how you view your own profile. If you want to know what your profile URL is, on the top, you see it says linkedin.com/in/Joe Apfelbaum. That's my LinkedIn URL. Alternatively, you can find your own LinkedIn URL inside your own contact info box. So if you click on the contact info box, it'll load your contact info and just kind of like as a dialog box with all your contact information. And what that will do is it'll show you your LinkedIn URL. Should be right on the top of your contact info. So if you're looking for your LinkedIn URL, and some people cannot find their own LinkedIn URL, that's where you would kind of go find it. Let me stop sharing my screen for just a moment and just close a bunch of things because it seems like because I have so many things open, like Facebook and research and search and a bunch of things, each one of the things that I have open is just taking up memory in my computer. And so it's having a little bit of a heart attack right now. So I'm going to go ahead and close each one of these little things here. And hopefully that will improve the performance of my computer. Sometimes it's worth closing windows that you're not currently using just to be able to have that performance upgrade. If you want to get a performance upgrade on something, that's how you do it. You just close all the information. Let's see. Ooh, you know what? There is a LinkedIn URL that I want to get from somebody. So let me just a second. Let me just see. Let me go in here, search. Can you guys see my screen now? Maybe not. All right, let me share my screen again. So somebody recently asked me, said, Joe, can you find the CEO's phone number? Let me show you which one I'm talking about. This one here. Oh, tab, window. I'm going to show you this. Somebody said, Joe, can you find the CEO's phone number? So there are different tools you can use to find somebody's phone number, but I'm going to check two separate tools and see which one gives me a phone number. Let's see, I'm going to copy this LinkedIn URL. I'm going to go to this tool over here, put in this LinkedIn URL here, hit search, and see if this gives me that right there. Okay, so look at that. We have a phone number, get contact info. Let's see, add Michelle to your API contacts. I have all these email addresses for this person. It did say that it gave me a phone number, but I don't see a phone number here. A second ago it had phone number there, but now the phone number is gone. So weird. Didn't you guys see it had phone number there? Maybe that's a little bit of a scam where they tell you there's a phone number and then there's no phone number. So annoying. Let me go to my lists. See if it's in my lists. API contacts. Click on this person's name. Yeah, it shows me a lot of email, phone numbers. Look at that. Subscribe for phone numbers. You have 4 phone numbers for Michelle. How much do they want to subscribe? Pricing plans, $100 a month for annual. And for monthly, they charge $165 for 250 lookups. That is crazy. And they charge $500 for 300 lookups of phone and email. Wow, $300 a month. Wow. All right, listen. This is the data business. They're in the data business. This is no monkey business. Let me take a look at Apollo. See if I can find it in Apollo. So this is a little Chrome extension called Apollo. And let me see, mobile number. Let's see if it finds her mobile number. It's doing research. All right, looks like we have a mobile number. I'm going to try to call this mobile number and see if it's her. I'm going to press call. And let's see if it works. All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for watching this with me here today. This is how you find somebody's contact information. It's relatively simple to do. If you learn how to use these tools appropriately, you're going to maximize what you're doing. It looks like my son's calling me, so I'm going to hop off. Thank you very much for watching this, and we will continue doing a LinkedIn 101.